was the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I've searched for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I'll bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people coming to come between us. None of them seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know I am belong here. In your arms I found the answers. How nothing seems so long here. If they'd only realize that I was born for you. And while you were born for me, and in this ransom world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I'll bless the day that I was born for you. Oh, I was. What we had, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I'll bless the day. I'll bless the day that I was born for you. Thank you so much.
Broadway Showdown, please put your hands together for the fabulous Faith. Oh, she's so cute. Come on forward, let's go. They don't bite, I promise. You got 4 yeses and you've gone through. I'm holding Faith's hand right now and she's shaking like a leaf. Faith, was you a bit nervous?
Yeah, I forget to do.
You just opened the cruise show. Can we just say that? You were the first on the main stage.
Thank you.
Now they know your name, you are fabulous Faith to me, but can you tell everybody where you're from in the world and where you work on board?
I'm from the Philippines. I work in the atrium and live room at night.
Has anybody seen Faith around the ship? She's always got a smile, but she was nervous. But did she need to be? No. Absolutely not. How long have you been singing for, Faith?
When I was a kid, I was singing, and then now.
And can I ask you a personal question? Where do you rehearse? Because you've got a busy schedule. When do you have the time to rehearse?
Only in my cabin. Yeah, only in my cabin when my cabin mate's not around.
Do you know, if I was your cabin mate, I'd want you to sing. I'd happily welcome it. You just opened the cruise show, Faith. Please put your hands together for her.
Thank you.
Faith, everybody.